In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print hidden slides intentionally in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just need a comprehensive printout of your work, printing hidden slides can be a critical feature that you might not yet have used. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring that every slide you need to present or review is included in your printer outputs. To get started, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. It doesn't matter which presentation you open, but make sure you're working in the one from which you wish to print the slides. Once you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on File and then select Print from the drop-down options. This will take you into the Print dialog box where you'll manage all your printing settings. In this Print dialog box, you'll notice a section labeled Settings. This area is crucial as it dictates what will be printed from your presentation. By default, you'll probably see an option that says Print All Slides, and that's exactly where we need to focus next. Click on the drop-down menu button in this section. Doing this will bring up a variety of options that control the slide range for your print job. Now, here's the special part. If there are any hidden slides in your presentation, you'll see an option labeled Print Hidden Slides. It's important to note that this option will only appear if there are indeed hidden slides in your presentation. If it's available and you wish to include those slides in your printout, make sure to click the box next to this option to select it. This ensures that these otherwise unseen slides are included in your printed materials. Before you proceed to print, take a moment to adjust any other print options you might need. This could involve changing the number of copies you want or altering the layout. Maybe you want to print 2 slides per page to save paper or adjust the orientation to better suit your content. These settings can greatly enhance the readability and usability of your printed slides, so make the necessary changes to fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to execute the job. With everything set, simply click the Print button, and your slides, including the hidden ones, should start rolling off the printer just the way you intended. And that's it. You now know how to effectively print hidden slides along with the rest of your presentation. This technique is invaluable for comprehensive reviews and ensuring no detail is left behind in your preparations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.